Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very fancy video, another one. It's another luxury haul. So as you can tell by the title, this is my pre-birthday haul. I know you guys are probably like, what is a pre-birthday? So if you know me, you know I literally celebrate, and when I say celebrate, I mean shop, my birthday for 6 months. So like the shopping starts in June and goes all the way until Christmas. So yeah, this is my pre-birthday haul. I'll actually have like another official birthday haul after my birthday. My birthday is August 2nd. So you'll probably see that video maybe like end of August, beginning of September, because next month starts my home tour series. So we'll kind of pop the schedule right here. And also we do have a trailer for my home tour series coming up, so be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be amazing. Also, at the end of this video, we are announcing the Brie Car Amour times Perfect Fit, or Perfect Fit times Brie Car Amour giveaway winners. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Well, let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single Sunday. And also follow me on Instagram at Brie Car Amour, all one word, all spelled out. Well, you guys, let's get into the video. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go ahead and get started. I am gonna try to go in order, and this is not a luxury unboxing, it is a pre-birthday haul. A couple of the things are still in boxes, most of them are not. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the first things that I got for my birthday this year, and this is something that I wanted, and I was gonna take it on Deja and I's trip to Dubai and Egypt. I feel like I say that a lot, which has since been canceled because of COVID-19. But this was one of the things that I wanted for that trip, and then I think like I waited too long or something happened, but I was able to get my hands on it, and ta-da! So I've been posting this bag a lot on my Instagram. This is the Christian Dior book tote in the small size. So it is my second book tote in the small size, and I'm absolutely loving it. I carry this bag a lot. Like, I've taken it to the pool with me. It's the perfect pool bag or beach bag. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love this pattern, and as you can see, this is why I was taking it to Dubai and Egypt, because it looks very desert chic. And this is from, I want to say this is fall winter 2019. Who really knows? But I have it. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I have to show you, the next two things, like FYI, all of this stuff is from Dior. I've already addressed my Dior obsession, and it's super duper special. You guys, so this is the Christian Dior saddle bag in the ultra matte. This color is called Trianon Gray. So it was actually named for the like little chateau or castle that some king had built for Marie Antoinette. So yeah, I'm obsessed with it. It is so gorgeous. At first I did think that I wanted the saddle bag in the stone gray stone, however you say it. But when I saw this color, I knew I had to get my hands on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I love it. And to go with it, I got a little accessory. And this is my first time getting one of these from Dior. Oh my goodness. So this is the strap. Focus, baby. This is the Christian Dior strap, and I forget what it's called. I don't know if it has a name. I just know it's called the strap, and it's in the oblique print. And these two things together, I just thought that was like an amazing combination. Completely obsessed. Cannot wait to wear them. So next up, kind of keeping with the theme of oblique, another pair of Dior shoes. Surprise, surprise. So, this is what it looks like. Dust bag, all that good stuff. We all know what the packaging looks like by now. Oh, and this is something that was from my wish list. Look! So I got the Christian Dior D-Way wedges, and they are in this really pretty, it's that same gray stone or stone gray, however you say it. They are super duper cute. Cannot wait to wear them, and they're gonna match that bag perfectly. It's just gonna be like 50 Shades of Gray, just like my house. Yes, I'm so obsessed with these, you guys. I love them. And they look super, super duper cute on. Cannot wait to wear them. Okay, so next is another really special purchase. I'm super, super happy that I was able to get my hands on these. And you guys heard me mention them in my last luxury haul video that I had pre-ordered them. And so here they are. And you can already tell by the white and gold packaging what collection it's from. So, gorgeous white and gold dust bags. I'm obsessed with these dust bags. They're so pretty. Beautiful. And, yeah, I'm in love. Oh, and you can already kind of see the top. So, you guys, I got the Christian Dior Rosa Mutables sneakers. And I'm completely obsessed. Like, that blue is amazing. You guys, these shoes are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm completely in love with them. They're so beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. Yeah, so now I have like the full collection. I'm super, super excited. Still trying to get my hands on that Lady Dior, but you know, we'll see. So yes, I absolutely love these. Last but not least, I have become like a connoisseur of these little pieces that I'm gonna show you. It started off with my cupcake bag that you guys saw. I'll post a picture here. I took that to Paris when Bianca and I went to France. And ever since then, I've been like dying to get my hands on more. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So here is the first little one, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a chain, or I can wear it as a clutch. It's like a little peppermint covered in Swarovski crystals. It is so cute. So that's the first one, because I got a couple. The next one that I got that I'm completely obsessed with. Oh my gosh. Like, how gorgeous is this? I absolutely love. It's the same thing. You can wear it like a clutch, or you can put the strap on it, the little chain. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And then the last one, this one. So how amazing is this? I'm completely obsessed with the colors. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. It's a little popcorn thing. You guys, I'm obsessed. Oh, and really quickly, because you guys always ask, the dress that I wore in my luxury haul video that I posted a couple weeks back was from Fashion Nova. It was that satin slip dress. This is also from Fashion Nova. It is this amazing lavender satin slip dress. I believe that they're both sold out, but if we can find the links, we'll definitely post them down below. These are some of my favorite dresses. They're really long, they're not tight, they're very classy looking. So yeah, we love it. Well, you guys, that officially wraps up this pre-birthday haul. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you loved all of the items that I got as much as I do, and I will see you in the next video. But first, stay tuned, because right after this, Deja and I will be announcing the winners of the Perfect Fit times Brie Car More giveaway, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting Deja. She really, really appreciates all the support. You guys really showed up and showed out for this giveaway. So yeah, we are excited to announce the winners, and that is coming up next. So yeah, you guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, you guys, so look who I have with me.
Hi.
It's Deja. And as promised, we are going to be announcing the winners of the Perfect Fit times Brie Car More giveaway, you guys. We got a lot of love. Deja got a lot of support, and we are so happy with it. We couldn't be more happy. So can we get a drum roll, please?
Okay, so the guy winner is at getem_lang.
And we'll put it. Boop, boop, boop,
Yeah,
boop, boop,
we'll put a
boop.
thing there. At GETEM_LANG.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congrats. And then mine is at @SBradshaw_. @SBradshaw_.
Nice.
Congrats, girl.
So amazing.
Yay.
You guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for all the support, all the love. You guys, it was just amazing. But what I want to tell you guys, since we ended up getting over 160 entries for the contest, which was
amazing,
so awesome.
Yeah.
We've decided to pick a third winner, a wild card.
Yes.
So Drum roll, please. The third winner is at Queen Cora is here.
At Queen Cora is here. Is that you, girl?
Nice, congratulations.
Congratulations.
So exciting.
Okay, guys, if you were one of the winners, one of the names, the IG names that we announced here, send a DM to Perfect Fit. Give her your first and last name, your address, and if you are a lady, make sure you include your size for your waist trainer.
Exactly. You guys, don't forget, you have to message Perfect Fit within 48 hours of this video. So if we don't hear from you by Monday night, there's a runner-up.
Somebody else, yeah, because we want to get you your stuff, you guys.
Love
We're trying to get the stuff out the door to you
We
guys.
love you so much. You got 48 hours.
Yes. So you guys, thank you so much. We had a lot of fun doing this giveaway, and we definitely want to do more together. It was so fun, and thank you so much for all the support, supporting Deja, supporting Perfect Fit. We appreciate it.
Yes, and you guys, please don't forget, you guys can still shop Perfect Fit at shopperfectfit.com and use Cara Amore as the discount code for an unheard of 30% off, you guys.
Yes.
It's lit.
Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.